Yep.
All right, we're going to roll through a quick push-up guide. We will have a more in-depth push-up guide on the website that I'll release in a couple of months that will walk you through how to fix some of maybe your deficiencies, the things you are or aren't good at in your push-up. These are the basics. So when it comes to the basics, we want to set up on the floor with our wrist beneath our shoulder. A lot of people set up with their hands out in front of them. So this is what it should look like where my wrists are right beneath my shoulders. A lot of people set up too high because this gives them a wider base. It makes you feel a little bit more stable, but then my elbows are going to flare up to the outsides. What I don't want is I don't want your elbows kicking up to the outsides, right? I want those wrists beneath your shoulders and elbows are coming back at 45 degrees, okay? That's going to give you a strong base to push from. Also in that setup, some people have drooping hips, so their belly is kind of hanging and sagging. What you have to do is pull your ribs down, squeeze your abdomen. So your back should be flat like a board. We shouldn't be hanging and humping the ground here, right? So abs are tight, coming towards the floor, and right back up. I should also not be chicken pecking. By chicken pecking, I mean you shouldn't be doing this with your neck. A lot of people, to make it seem like you're closer to the floor, they try and reach their neck out. So then they're doing this number. So keep your chin tucked, and then abs are tight, straight down and straight up. So those are some of the basics on the setup of your push-up. Push-ups from the floor can actually be pretty tough when you first start out. So to make that easier, you can elevate your hands. The higher your hands, the easier the movement. So if I bring a box here, I could sit up at the box the exact same way. So you see how my back is still flat like a board, abs are tight, and then my shoulder's in line with my wrist still. So I can still come straight down and push straight back up. So those are some of the things that you want to watch for. Elbows are at 45, wrists are beneath your shoulders, and that's how you can progress that. You can do this movement anywhere from 5 to, however many reps you're feeling that day. If you're feeling really squirrely, you can just do them until you pass out like Zach Hefty. There'll be progressions and regressions, meaning ways to make it easier. You could obviously elevate your hands. Ways to make it harder is you can wrap chains around your waist. You can mess with your tempo, meaning you can go down slow. A lot of different ways that you can do that, but that's the basics of the push-up. Abs are tight, back is flat like a board, elbows are at 45 degrees. Let's go.